Bonjour! Bonjour les amis! Bienvenue! Welcome to French with Ananas. Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy, and if you would like Ananas to join us today, can you say Bonjour Ananas? Can you say that a little bit louder? Bonjour Ananas! Voilà Ananas! Bonjour Ananas! Are you having a good day? Oui, une belle journée! We're so happy to have Ananas join us because she helps us learn our French sounds and our French words. Now today's lesson is all about une comptine. And a comptine is a short French poem. Comptine. And today's poem, we're going to have a lot of a sound words. So I hope that you remember the a sound words. And our lesson is called French with Ananas, lesson 1.8, a sound, leçon 1.8, son a. So let's get started. So we are going to go to our first slide. So a comptine is a short French poem. And in today's lesson, I've put the pictures with the words. So if you've forgotten the word for this fruit, it's up here, ananas. And this fruit is called banana. So we're going to say the consigne, the pictures, and the words, and then we're just going to say it with the words. So let's get started. Make sure that you repeat nice and loud. Ananas, banane, ballon, ballon, ballon. Chat, canard, vache, avion, avion, avion. Lapin, tasse, fromage, plage, plage, plage. Ananas, banane, ballon, ballon, ballon. Yay! And that's it. That's a very, very quick and easy French rhyme. And that's what we call une comptine. So now we're going to try it without the pictures. So see if you can follow along with the words. And remember, nice and loud. Here we go. Ananas, banane, ballon, ballon, ballon. Chat, canard, vache, avion, avion, avion. Lapin, tasse, fromage, plage, plage, plage. Ananas, banane, ballon, ballon, ballon. Bravo, good job. Now, did you hear any rhyming words in our comptine? Let's see. Oui, you are correct. If you said ballon and avion, you are correct. Both of these words have the same ending sound of on. Ballon, avion. They are rhyming words. Bravo. Did you hear any other rhyming words? Let's see. Ah, oui, bravo. There's two more rhyming words. Fromage, plage. They have the same end sound. They both end in age. Let's say them together. Fromage, plage. Yay! Wow, that was really good. What is this slide? That's a question. Une question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, dans mon sac? Oh, that means what's in your bag? Wow, Anna, I have it right here. Mon sac. Mon sac. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Oh, something very light. Très, très léger. Léger. Oh, let's have a look. Dans le sac. Anna, can you look dans le sac? Regarde dans le sac. Oh, wow, qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, well, we know this French word. Let me give you a clue. Something with two long ears. Do you know an animal with two long ears? Des oreilles. Des oreilles longues. Oh, let's take our friend out of the bag. Wow, this is lapin. Can you say bonjour lapin? Oh, and lapin and ananas are very good friends. Yes, very good friends. Un ami. Beautiful big long ears. Les oreilles. My friends, I had such a great time today learning a new comptine. I hope you had a fun time too. Can you say goodbye in French? Au revoir. Can you say au revoir, Ananas? Au revoir, lapin. Au revoir, madame. Au revoir, les amis. See you next time.